Ah, that's a great. Hey, today I'm going to make an educational video. I'm shooting this in Bangalore and I'm sitting in XSR layout. Today we're going to talk about September 28th, International Safe Abortion Day. You know, for now we all assume and we just take it for granted that, oh yeah, we have our body, we have a right to body, right to choice, right to get abortion. But it wasn't that simple. And for the longest time, activists around the world, and there are places even till now, including USA, where getting an abortion is very tough. So we are extremely lucky sitting in India. But do you know your rights? Do you actually know what does the Indian law speak about it? Do you know where are some of the health services? Do you know, is it actually good for you? I'm going to walk around and ask people in Bangalore, what do they think about? I'm going to actually go to some health clinics and see what's really happening inside. And, together figure this out that, acha, we have the right and we have the health system, that why are we not getting it? So come with me on the journey. Like we were talking to some people some time back and they were saying, privacy matters, this matter, that matter. But taboo is so bad. I am dying to talk to someone and I want to get over this fast.
I don't think so. It's like not even like I just need to make this end this chapter. I don't know how I'll end it. I just need to end it. It's fine however I end.
I was literally having food and I came to serve them. So September 28th is I told you, National Safe Abortion Day. And do you guys think abortion is legal in India? What do you think about it?
As far as I know, I think it is.
You think? Legal.
Do you think it's okay? Yeah. I mean, it's about women's health care, so it should be legal. When I said health care, it's like आपकी body में changes हो रहे हैं, correct? You should be taking charge of your body.
Correct. आप लोग कहाँ से हो वैसे?
मैं लखनऊ से.
So you think अगर लखनऊ में किसी women को कहीं पे help चाहिए, she would get it? आसान है क्या?
मुझे personally नहीं पता, I don't really know, but there are services like hospital में आप जाओगे तो आपको मिले.
Correct. How is it in Kolkata? In Kerala, if you had to go look for services, do you think it's easy to find services in Kerala?
No.
Would you go out? How is the scene in Kerala?
I don't think it's honestly when you go to a gynac, just for a normal checkup, the first thing that they ask you is if you're married. They won't ask you if it's active or not.
Correct.
I don't know. There is this fear of asking questions, or getting to know your patient better, or whatever it is. So I don't know. I wouldn't really go if I was in near any services.
Correct. Even your friend's service? You don't.
Between friends, okay, so far I will say if I'm getting an abortion, so far I will say to my close friends.
Yeah.
But to my
go with your friend to the hospital to help her out in Kerala.
In Kerala,
Yeah, that would be so scary. Scary, no?
yeah, it will be so scary. All the parents and everything. You will think about your friend also. It's gonna affect her also.
Yeah.
Next day, her parents will be like, "Why did you support her?"
Correct.
Yeah.
Correct.
So, there's a lot of things. Calcutta, I'm not really familiar with the scene around this topic, so I'm not.
Generally, as a woman, you want to go meet a doctor. Do you think how is it seen in Calcutta?
The relationship between patient and doctor, it's widely personal.
Okay.
If you want to go see a doctor, you usually ask around your family. कि family की कोई doctor है.
Correct.
जो हम पहले से जानते हैं, तो उसके पास जाएंगे rather than somebody unfamiliar.
Do you think थोड़ा embarrassment है या taboo होता है कुछ topics पे डॉक्टर से मिलने से पहले women के लिए specifically?
थोड़ा तो taboo होता है. अभी तक वो उठा नहीं है. The general embarrassment around sex education.
Wow. आप लोग कभी government hospital गए अपने एरिया में? That's something we have been trying to do is find government hospitals in HSR. So मैं बाद में पूछूंगी आप लोगों से. आपकी सिटी में government hospital का क्या सीन है?
लखनऊ में है तो it's बहुत टाइम लगता है आपका टर्न आने में. मैं अपना बस मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट बनाने गई थी और मुझे पूरा दिन लग गया था.
Difficult है थोड़ा.
I don't really know much about the government hospitals. I've only been there once or twice. जब छोटी थी पोलियो के लिए गई.
पोलियो क्लिनिक.
हाँ.
आप अभी कितने साल की हो?
I'm 18.
तो पोलियो happened 18 years back, right? आपको HSR layout में government hospital कहाँ है पता है? If I tell you government hospital is clean here, would you go for a health checkup? You don't mind it. If I tell you you don't have to go to the doctors. हम बस chat कर सकते हैं या video call कर सकते हैं. What would you prefer? Yeah. And is it because कि कुछ topics uncomfortable है.
The first thing you should provide is the empathy. You know, that's because a person who's going through all this,
Yeah.
his mental condition won't be in a right place, right? And the person starts overthinking. At times, we have also heard cases about suicide. The person was very panicking, no one was helping them. So they committed suicide. There have been cases. And research is also important at the same time so that you can know whom to trust and whom not to
Correct,
trust.
correct.
Because you'll find tons of government hospitals, Google Maps and everywhere. But you cannot trust them all
Correct.
because you never know how the doctors are there. Will they support you or not? Will they like contact the guardians or not? So that's really important.
तो आप लोगों ने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था ना कि इंडिया में अबॉर्शन लीगल है एंड आपको लगता है कि राइट है. आपको कोई आइडिया है कितने वीक्स तक लीगल है? कोई आइडिया नहीं है. सो आई एम जस्ट लेटिंग यू नो क्योंकि आप लोग वुमन हो एंड यू शुड नो दिस. ये है कि अगर इवन 6 वीक्स प्रेगनेंसी हो या 12 वीक्स हो या 20 वीक्स हो, आपको पूरा हक है. बट इंडिया में एंड इट्स वन ऑफ द मोस्ट लिबरल लॉ इन द वर्ल्ड एंड बहुत आगे है कि 24 वीक्स तक अगर वेमेन के पास रीजन है, स्पेशली 20 to 24 वीक्स में, अगर डॉक्टर को लगता है कि ठीक है इनका रीजन जेन्युइन है, ये नहीं कर सकती है, अलाउड.
So we have the right to do it or not do it.
बट यू आर नॉट स्कैर्ड थिंकिंग अबाउट इट.
It is so scary. Like it's a whole lot of emotion and like yeah. So it is a bit scary, but if you're ready to do it, yeah.
What do you think?
It's mostly personal because it's a woman's choice about if they want to do it or not, or if they want to keep the child or not. Because ultimately they are the ones who have to save the child.
Correct,
If they're not in a position to do that,
Correct.
they're not in a state to do that. It's up to them.
Correct.
Necessary to know about this. It's not just women. It's not just women.
Correct,
Like men
correct.
should also know about it.
Correct.
Yeah.
Men should also be part of
Yeah,
this.
part of this.
Yeah, like
Equally part.
like you said, mothers, friends, and guys. Where are the guys here?
Abortion should be legal because there are times when it's not planned, it's accidental, and at times even rape victims are the parts who want to go through abortion.
Correct.
So if it's considered illegal, they would have like a huge issue because you know there are many societal norms which are there who don't consider their babies like you know legalized. And yeah, like for some families when they you know come from a orthodox background where they have you know socially backward background.
So yeah, even for the minors, it should be. Because it is not approved by a court.
Okay, so I just wanted to correct this. ठीक है? Abortion legal है India.
Yes.
ठीक है? It is legal.
Not
Yeah.
for the minors.
हाँ. So for minors, you need the consent of the guardian. अगर like I wanted to ask you this. So if you get to know one of your friend is pregnant in Patna in Kanpur, how do you think people will react? Would you take your friend to a hospital? How is the scene back home?
So basically, if we are talking about Patna, there are only 1 to 2 selective hospitals which will actually welcome them, you know,
Oh,
for that. Otherwise, it's very taboo. The doctor even won't take the case unless the parents aren't there.
Correct.
And that's though for the later part.
Yeah.
Like initially, when you go to a friend for a help, they're very scared. They're like, I don't want to get involved in all these stuffs. What is this and stuff.
Correct.
So that is very much there in like especially in Patna, jata
Yeah.
time.
Correct.
I want to say कि काफी सारे लोग are not known to this. It is legal.
Correct.
So once they are into this, so they go to doctor and doctor charge them,
Yeah.
and which is not good. They know they are right,
Yeah.
and they are not using it.
Do you think what like so?
No one is there. I can't like.
I mean, there are all the servants available. Yeah, except nobody wants to give
But,
us.
yeah, and if we were someone else, like I think they would have kicked us out if we were doing
Yeah.
this and it
Correct,
ghosted
correct,
right now.
correct,
Yeah,
correct.
might be somebody's looking from inside.
yeah, I'm seeing them. Yeah.
Correct. So, do you think if people want to get an abortion, like, would they like to come to a place like this? Do you think, you know, like, even though if it's free and, you know, like, doctor is okay, non-judgmental, they will still not come here? You think?
Because maybe they don't know. I feel
So, it's more of an
awareness and the accessibility part. Like I don't know.
That just doesn't seem little accessible, huh?
Yeah, it's
Even though it's on the main road, but yeah, it took so long to find it. Yeah.
so also not much information on internet. Like we I live on internet. Like we live on internet, right?
correct,
And the only thing which was the Google Map link.
Yeah.
And nothing more on it. Like it has good star rating and whatever.
They must started.
Yeah, I've seen, it was 4 and whatever what that rating was, but I still
It's real, huh? This threat that they will will be out of college. It's a real thing.
Yeah, it's a real threat, and you cannot help it because basically you're financially dependent on the parents, especially in the first 2 years.
Correct.
So you cannot actually do anything because if they like threw you out of your home or something, that actually happens at places. Especially I come from Bihar, right? So there are even things called honor killings.
Yeah.
Parents will like literally kill their children, and they'll take the pride in doing that because they were not fitting into that criteria or the social order.
Like you are just.
Yeah, it is all.
Yeah.
It's a mistake, and it can be correct.
Yeah. It happened, and I'm an adult, and I have options. So NIF campus has options. Or I don't know. To be honest, even I am not sure if NIF campus is an option. But people back home should know कि एक जगह है बात करने के लिए. अकेले नहीं हो. आप किसी से WhatsApp कर सकते हो और पटना में कानपुर में connect कर सकते हैं. Also this emotion part. One of you said.
Yeah.
What do you think can be done for the emotional part of it? Because this is people think that women they just get up and get an abortion. It's not like that. So how do you think we can support women better with the emotional, psychological health?
I think as friends, maybe like it would.
Yeah.
We have more conversation, correct?
Yeah.
Because we spend so much more time together, correct? We tend to have a lot of deeper conversations.
Yeah.
So friends can be a support system. If something happens, we'll be there. Correct. Can always, even if you do not want to be there, you can be their extended hand or shoulder who can provide the direct support.
Yeah.
And then when it comes to like mothers, I don't know, like some mothers are very supportive, like they try and understand you, but that is not the case with everyone.
Correct.
But again, mothers are also a huge part of our lives, and they are always our support systems, and like, most parts of it.
Sneha, have you ever been to a government hospital?
Yeah, I did. I went for a blood donation. I wanted to donate blood.
Where?
In Bidar itself and in Bangalore once. I have O negative blood, so it's a rare blood group, and it's needed because I'm the only universal donor out there.
Where in Bangalore did you keep?
I think it was in Pune, but then I ended up donating in a truck where they were having camp.
Wow.
When I went to government hospital, they were not taking blood that time. Yeah,
Do you feel safe in a government hospital?
I have felt good in few hospitals because my friends are there now, and all of them are like girls out there who are like becoming to be a doctor, so and they're practicing. But before that, I always see men, and then too much of things happening, so I never felt in such not government or any hospital. I never felt hospital is a good place.
Correct. I mean, nobody likes a hospital.
And then private hospitals are like, I don't know, paused.
Yeah, they're too
Polished. And my parents always took me to clinics.
Yeah.
Like it was never any hospital.
Correct. No, be there. Will it be different? Like, will it matter if they have a place like this versus a private clinic? Even a clean government hospital.
I think they would have preferred the government. Like, depending on what structure of
Correct.
or the financial stability they come from, I think it will change. Their choices will change.
Yeah.
But and in such, I don't know. Like even in Bangalore, I have not seen many gynec clinics also.
How is the government hospital seen back home? If I ask you about government hospital, what's the image that comes into your head?
It's like a broken old ruin kind of a hospital which barely has any doctors. Like there are good hospitals now, but back at Pat, I cannot name the hospital, but there are hospitals which are not at all in a good conditions. The doctor won't be there at all. The hygiene is not there at all. So yeah, no one would prefer usually.
Do you know if there's any government hospital in HSR?
No idea. We just moved here, so we are still exploring.
You guys are very new, and I would like to tell you there is. So even we went today looking for a government hospital because we had the same images in our head. So we were like, you know what, we'll go check it out. So we actually came here looking for, services for women. And we were told, and this is technically how it works, primary health centers should be providing MTP, medical termination of pregnancy, which they happily said we don't. Doctors will only decide, and they will refer us to a Halsur General Hospital, and which makes no sense. You come this far, but say, what do you think? Do you think there's a stigma around abortion in Bangalore in 12th Main? If any of your friends want,
For sure. I don't think so. If any of my friends who got any unwanted pregnancy, I don't know if she'll be talking to me or maybe I don't know.
Even 12th Main, you think it's
I think so. Maybe I don't know how I think it's on me how safe I am.
Correct.
Talk to me about that. I've seen women not talking about sex in general.
Correct.
I don't know if they'll be. I've seen at least we talk
Yeah.
and don't even do that. This would be a whole traumatic thing. There would be
It's huge.
Yeah, abortion is already a medical thing, and you are carrying this whole trauma with you. And then I don't know how many PTSD things would have.
Correct. So I was asking you, so if there's a chatting system where people can just chat anonymously, you don't, because like you said, it's trauma. You don't know whom to talk to. And then after chatting, because when that's something we have
There
realized.
could be a solution to it.
People come, they're crying, they feel like the world is over. And from making them feel, from there to finally saying that, boss, this is legal. You have medical options. These are your options in your city. You will be fine. Nothing is gonna happen. Do you think it makes a difference?
Of course. Like, firstly, it's not just okay. I think at least my generation, we are all okay with talking to anonymous chatbot, right?
Correct.
From the day when, I don't know. I remember that my first chatbot interaction was Myntra for some order, right?
Nice.
And now I don't have any privacy issues as such. We can openly talk on any issue on chat, right? So I don't. But again, the point being, it's just my generation. I and the next coming generation. I don't think so. I'll be comfortable talking like audio talk or a video call. I would have turned up and not even do that.
Like, we have actually clients who have told us, can you dunzo it? And people have actually told us, can you dunzo the pills? I don't want to see the doctor. Can you done that? And legally speaking, we can't, because in India, pills can only be given in a hospital setting. So it has to be a hospital.
And where you get the
only a doctor can give you a pill. Otherwise, there are countries where you can deliver it in the hands of the woman.
But that's why 10-minute delivery, 10-minute medicine delivery will not work.
Not now, but
Not now, but
in future maybe.
that's what
I find it very funny that love is supposed to be romantic and sexy, and instead of that, it's traumatic. No, the lighting was very nice. It became very romantic. Anyways, Sneha, thank you so much. Well, she came at a very short notice. She just joined us like that, and
it's just 4.
It's just
4. Like, we started talking now, right? Like, we were the whole place was shutting at 3:45.
We run a chatting service called Vipassian. It's just a WhatsApp number, and people chat. And the idea is the same, that people should chat, because a lot of people have guilt. They're ashamed, embarrassed, and they don't have anybody. And then after chatting, we tell them the legal medical right. Will you promote it with your friends? Just to tell, like, if anybody is going and they would like to talk about any of sexual and reproductive health.
Sure.
Just for the chatting. That's
Even that kind of support is very necessary. Like,
correct.
but somewhere in between life and death, when you have all these decisions, like all these,
So even in our work at Vipassian, I feel like most of our clients are from smaller towns, and we assume that Bangalore and Delhi is sorted.
No.
They have an option. But when it comes to chatting or talking to anybody, people don't realize that abortion is not a medical issue. It's the guilt and the emotion.
That
that
much
is the what, not just women who live with it. The fact that we had sex, we don't want this whatever, and then there's nobody we can talk to. We go to hospital, they make you run around. They literally make you feel guilty about you did such a bad thing, and you're so irresponsible.
Like I would have thought about coming to hospital. Like, I'm just talking about I'm pregnant and I don't want this. I would have thought about coming to hospital hours, and then I end up in this hospital. Hospital says go to another hospital, which is another 5 kilometers, and in Bangalore traffic. I don't know what in that sense of time. I don't know what will I be doing.
Correct. It's really nice to see such well-educated women. Seriously, it's so nice कि आप लोगों को पता है. At least आपको बिल्कुल झिझक नहीं है बात करने में. It's really nice, and thank you so much for joining. And क्या कहते हैं, September 28 is International Safe Abortion Day. So just tell your friends, okay? And it's interesting. In Vipassian, we get the maximum clients in Kerala, and they chat in Malayalam. We provide services in Malayalam, and I still think that it's amazing that women are educated. That is why women are willing to, they want to take decision, they want to talk to somebody, and I'm always in awe of, how people are coming forward, because they have made a decision. They're all coming from very small towns, but they're like, no, this is my life and my body. I will, I want a future plan. This just happened. It's not something wrong I did, but at this stage of my life, I'm not ready. You can actually follow us on YouTube, because I would like to share you the link when this will be coming out on September 28. जब भी release करेंगे, I would like to tag you guys and share it with you. Yes. Thank you so much for your time.